My name's Jared Omondi. I am a Kenyan, born in a county called Siaya, and currently I work in Kisumu County, where we build the machines. My role in the company, I work for GoSol as a technician. I build the machines, I do maintenance, and make sure that the machines are in a working condition. But our workshop is based in Kisumu, in Kenya. Also, we've done quite a good number of projects. Like so far, we've done up to 6 projects. The first one, as I mentioned earlier, was with World Vision in Kisumu. Then we did another one again. The second one was for World Vision Kisumu. In the first project, we built 2 machines. One was taken to Siaya, and another one was taken to Nandi Hills. That is Nandi County. When we did the second project, we did 3 machines. One was taken to Nyamira County, and we took again another one to Nandi Hills, and the third one was taken to Friends of Ndere in Kisumu County. Another project which was in Kakuma, that is in Turkana County. Again, we did 2 machines for Tanzania, which went to Musoma. It was a project for women group. They were also doing baking. Then again, the following year we worked for Tanzania, where we worked with Plan International. And now we are now working for the 6th project here in Tanzania again, and we are working for Montessori schools. My favorite projects was when I was 2-3 years back when we were working for Plan International. I mention it as my best project because there we were training youth groups which were already involved in the baking process, and they were also doing some other businesses which were related into income, profit making projects. We trained like 2 groups of 30 students each. It was awesome because everything was there. They were understanding, they were ready to learn. We did a lot, we did baking. They had their shop ready, they were selling, they were receiving money, and it was like, oh, this is the right thing we should be doing now and now. We were in Kakuma, in Turkana County. The challenges I faced there were like 3 challenges. My first challenge there, my main challenge was weather. Because it was very hot in Kakuma. It's dusty. It was like there's no water, there's no food, and I can remember we used to drink, like me myself alone, I used to drink like 20 liters of water in a day. It was very hot. And the second challenge there is being that the town we were working in is mainly the people who are there are nomadics. So there are no like hardwares, building materials, and the materials we used to build the machines, they are not there. So availability of the materials was a challenge, and even if you could pick some, the prices were so high, like 3 times of how we buy them in Kisumu or in other major towns. So those were some of the challenges. And also the third challenge there was we lacked how to get helpers, maybe those who could understand, those who are willing to work with us, being that they are nomads. Their life is maybe based on cattle rearing. They go out to look after the cows, goats, and all that. So it's very hard to get even a helper who could work with you. So we had to do the whole work with Lorraine until we finished the work. It took us quite longer than as it was planned, but we managed to overcome it. The company also, despite the challenges we faced, the company was ready to come in and maybe to help us to overcome the challenges. Whenever we lacked like materials, they could order it from a nearby town. They would ferry it in within a given time, and we worked together with the company, and they really helped us. They helped us to overcome the challenges which were there. We had like 20 machines from 2016 when I first worked for GoSol. We have machines in Uganda. Our machines are working in Tanzania. At least 5 machines are in Tanzania. In Uganda we have 2 machines. In Kenya we have several machines because it was the pioneer country where where this GoSol team worked for in first time in East and Central Africa. So in Kenya we have machines in Ondere, that is in Kisumu County. We have machine in Siaya County. We have 2 machines in Nandi Hills. We have 2 machines in Kisii County, not Kisii but Nyamira County. We have machines in, as I mentioned earlier, in Kakuma. We have several machines in Kenya and also in East Africa. In East Africa, we have several machines, like 20 machines we built so far. Well, that's an interesting question because I really enjoy working on Lytefire. I really enjoy building the ovens. It's my favorite work ever since I got into this company. What I really see in future with Lytefire is it's like we are going to get into first class world business because people really like the machines we are making. It conserves the environment. We use free sun. Our products, maybe from the oven, they are nice. They don't make smoke because there's no form of smoke in the oven. The temperature we use, it is controlled, and therefore making the coax or our products they rise and they are ready to be eaten within the shortest time period. They are nice and people like the machine because it's for free. You don't need to pay any bills. It's only basically what you do need to do on the machine is just cleaning the machine, doing the few maintenance like replacing mirrors, maybe changing the wheels, changing the windows. It does not require much amount to do the maintenance or any bills or anything, and it saves time and money.
Thank you very much, Jared.
Thank you.
Give us a wave.